So if somebody asks you what is data security, so you have to respond in such a way that you take care, you safeguard the data at three stages, guys. Number one, the first stage is data at rest, the second stage is data in transit, and the third stage is data in processing. So whenever we talk about data security, we need to make sure that we take into provision of all the three stages, guys. Okay. So first of all, let us try to understand what is data at rest. Okay. So when I talk about data at rest, I am talking about the backed up data. For example, data in hard disk drive, USB drives, databases, backup tapes. These are all the data at rest types where data can be present. Okay. Now, how can you protect it? Is the next question. Two types of protections are there for data at rest. If you want, you can write it down. Number one is encryption, and the second is access control. You can encrypt the data at rest, and you can introduce access control in order to ensure that only the authorized and intended recipients are able to access it. What is the second type of data, guys? The second type of data is data in transit. Okay. Data in transit means data which is moving. For example, you are downloading something, you are uploading something, data is in movement. So what can be done in this case? As mentioned in the picture as well, encryption has to be enabled here in order to ensure that there is no data theft while the data is in transit. You have to make sure that you implement encryption. Third one, as you can see over here, data in use, which is also known as data in processing, where data is being processed by a system. Okay. So when the data is in memory, when data is being processed, this is where also you have to make sure that you protect the data. How do you do that? By ensuring that only the authorized people are given access to the root account. Okay, that is how you do it for data in use. And also ensuring that the correct people have access to this data for the data in use as well. So this is the three different types of data: data at rest, data in transit, and data in use. And we have covered all the three scenarios and how to safeguard this type of data. If you have any questions, if you want to discuss more on this, if you have knowledge or understanding about any other sources of protection for this type of data, feel free to add in the comment section, and I will make sure that if in case there are any questions, I will make sure that I will answer them. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.